want you to put both shoulders like this and then push up for me. Is there any pain or discomfort in that shoulder? You feel right in that little area, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. You relax your arms for me? Let me see something here. Does it hurt when I push in here or not?
No.
This or not?
Mm-mm.
How about that?
Mm-mm.
Nothing. How about this one?
No.
Okay, let's look here. Turn this way, perfect. Yeah, you got a little restriction right there in the neck. Right here, you do. Check this other side. Perfect, right there too. Okay. Ooh, that's a good one right there. One more time. Ooh, that was it right there, buddy. Okay. So you reverse that. Okay, cool. If they just relax it, I'll do this. You know what? Let's look around here. Yeah, right here. You feel that bad spot?
Definitely.
That's definitely a bad spot there. How about this?
The first one.
Yeah. I'm just looking. You're right. That's the bad. That's the worst right there.
Yep.
Okay, cool. I'll get that side. So just breathe in and out for me. You ready for this? It's gonna be fun. You're gonna love it.
Fuck. Yo, that never gets easy, bro. I'm always like, he knows what he's doing, right?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. That was crazy, right?
That was fucking insane.
That was insane. Right.
Could you hear that as much as I could?
Oh yeah, I can hear it. Yeah. You can only imagine what the mic got.
It was loud as hell.
Yeah, that was real loud. Let's check this side. Let's find the worst one for this one. Yeah, right here. Yeah, you gotta look up this one. Yeah, this one and this one. They're both bad.
For sure.
All right, here we go then. Breathe in and out for me. Just relax. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Perfect. All right.
Damn.
Ooh. Wow. Shit never gets old. I swear to God. It never gets old, huh? You guys hear that over there? I know. Oh yeah, man. Look how good like your neck moves now. There's like the joints are just like so mobile right now.
So. Yeah.
Okay. Let's get this one here a little more. Woo! How loud was that?
It's fucking crazy. What the hell
Isn't that insane?
What is cracking?
How loud was that? You know, like there's actually like fascia and like bones in the ear too. Like there's like 3 little bones, but you have this fascia in the ear. But how cool is that though, right?
Crazy. Yeah.
It really makes a loud noise, doesn't it? You guys heard that too, didn't you? Yeah. People think it's fake, but it's actually not fake at all.
Nah, it's not. I heard it myself.
Yeah. This came from Jason, okay? So he's not gonna lie about this, you guys.
Definitely not.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what we got here on this one. Right there. Let's see this one. Ooh, this one. Let's see. There it is. There it is.
Damn.
There it is.
Both ears cracked like that?